Welcome back once again. So in our previous Lightroom Classic tutorial, we were able to create a preset, yes, for the outdoor part. So let's see if that same preset is going to work on this image. Yes, and also the kind of mindset you have to have about a preset. So with this image, you are just going to right click, go to settings, and then paste the settings. I've already copied it from the previous image. Yes, so this is how it looks if you apply it. Yeah, I've not done anything to the image. So now you are going to tweak the presets or the settings to be able to fit the kind of look you are going in for. So it is, I'm going to correct the exposure. Yes, maybe bring it back a little. Yes, just a little. And then I'll firstly crop my image 4 by 5. Yes, I think rotate it a little. Yeah, that's good. And then here I'll open up the shadows a little. Good. And then now we can see greens, we can see yellows. In the previous image reference, you could see there were no greens in there. Yes, so now we can play around the greens. Yeah, maybe give it a yellow kind of green or more greenish green. Yeah, let me put it that way. And the luminance to bring it down, that's the brightness of the color. Yeah, and then we come to the yellows. We can choose to desaturate the yellows. If you desaturate it, this is the kind of grade you get. Yes, same way if you saturate it a little, this is the kind of grade you get. And then I'm seeing reds too here, but what you have to keep in mind is if you increase the reds, it affects the skin tone. Yes, as some parts of the image, so you just have to do it a little, not too much. And then I can see some kind of purple in there. This if you want the colors in there to be too much. So you see now it's affecting the suit. Yeah, so this is a bad idea. Let's come to the purple. So so right now the purple is the flowers up there. So just do it a little, not too much. Yeah, I think that will be all. And then I think yes, that's fine. You can do more to the image, but if this is fine, then it's fine. Yeah, you can also change the temperature, the image temperature to more cool to make it look this way, or more warm to complement the environment. Yes, so this is how it looks after grading. So before and after, before and after, before and after. Yeah, so that's cool. So I'm going to run through some of the images and then we see. So let me copy this grade and then come paste this on this. So this is where there are dancing moments. So just paste it. Yes, so you see how it affects each and every image. Yeah, so you crop it well. Good. So this is the before, then this is the after. So you can, whilst editing, you can play around colors, try to see what best fits the image. Yeah, so this was my second shooter. Yeah, paste this one too. Good. So this one, I feel like the warm is too much. Let me reset it to how it looked previously, and then let me crop it. Good. And also I took some shots for the decor people. Yes, I think I'll find it here. Yeah, right. Good. So right here, I think I'll try my hands on the grade we created earlier on. Yes, so I named that one Naniel because that's the name of the groom. Yeah, if you want this grade, let me know so I can just send it to you or put it in the description below. So just at a first glance, this is how it looks like, and it works perfectly. See how majestic this looks like. Yeah, so you just copy it, although you can do more things to the image, but this looks okay. I don't think you have to stress yourself to do any other thing. Yes, then paste it. Maybe you touch on the greens a little. Yeah, so let's see, boost the greens a little. Yeah, I think this will be fine. Let me copy these settings and then move to the next one. Yeah, the images are plenty, but I just copied a few for this particular tutorial. Yeah, so just resize this. So this is my workflow. If you like it, you can also adapt it. You can also learn something from it. Yeah, this is cool. Rotate it even more. Yeah, then we'll go to the next one. So the exposure was too much. Yes, so the same grid. So yeah, I'm going to touch on the exposure, just the exposure, and look at how it turns out. Like, it's very nice. If you look at the before and then the after, I mean, come on, this is dope. Very dope. Yes, I think I'll do a separate video on this particular one. I just loved how it turned out. Yes, you can even do more by increasing the haze to clear any haziness in the sky, and then with the blue too, you can add more cyan to it. Yes, and then increase it a little, then luminous, and then the yellows too, you can boost it a little. Yeah, that is if you want to get extra creative with it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Very nice. I love this. Yes, so let me try and see if I copy this same grid, it will work on the next image. Yes, I shot with this with the same settings as well. Good, perfect. But with this, I'll have to increase the exposure a little, not too much, but just a little, and then the shadows too. Yeah, this looks very good. So you just have to know these sliders over here and how they affect your image separately. Yes, I think the better ways, if you understand how it works, you know how to regulate it, how to go about it. Yes, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. This is your man Gidkay once again, and peace out.